Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor 200 Pro to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both devices. Then download free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, launch it. Now it's time to set up both apps by clicking on the same options. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now and click OK, or select OK right away. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And last but not least, tap on Receive button to connect. If you want to scan the QR code instead, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait as well. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!